Well, it's definitely not every day that it's raining and sunny outside. You know? It's one of the cool things about weather. Yeah. That's pretty neat. You know, just a partly cloudy day. Beautiful, beautiful rain. Coming down in curtains. And we're kind of at a pause right now, but I don't know if you can see the difference. That's rain. And you can see the individual curtains. It's just coming out of that one little cloud right there. Isn't that something? It's pretty neat. Seeing what happens is when the air temperature reaches a certain point, the air begins to surge upward in an updraft like that, and the moisture in the air condenses on dust molecules and other tiny microscopic molecules and all that good stuff, and it's able to form rain, and we just had a very nice sunny rain shower right here in good old Lewisville, Texas. That's right, folks. Come on.